Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Money Makers. Today I am going to talk about the intraday trading strategy which contains Donchain channel and Renko chart, and the third one is awesome oscillator. Okay, with the help of these three things we can just go for the intraday trading and we can earn 90% accuracy rate profit. Okay, this strategy contains the 90% accuracy rate back tested by the stock money makers team members. Okay, so you can just apply this strategy while going for intraday purpose. But before we begin this session, I want you all to like and subscribe the channel. For those who are the new users who are watching the first time my video, I would like you to please like and subscribe the channel so that you get updated with the latest video I upload here. And please join my WhatsApp group and Telegram and Facebook group so that I will share some news, positional tips, intraday tips and some knowledge about stock market in the groups. Okay, so guys, please join the groups, and if any doubt regarding this strategy you can message me on there. And join and like and subscribe the channel, and please do comment if any doubt. Okay, so let's begin with the strategy. Here I am on the Tata Motors chart. The first thing we have to do is that we have to go for the time frame. The time frame should be 1 minute. Okay, guys, note down these strategies, these studies. Your chart should be Renko, not Heikin-Ashi, not candle. It should be Renko. Okay, now we are on studies. Okay, awesome oscillator. Increasing bar is green and decreasing bar is red. The another study is that another indicator is that Donchain channel. Our Donchain channel's high period is 20, low period is 20. Okay, the Donchain high color is white, this one is white. Okay, and Donchain median is yellow, and Donchain low is also white. Okay, this one. Now we will go for the strategy. Okay, what you have to do is that you have to perform this strategy only on the Renko chart. Okay, so now let's begin. Here you can see that okay, from here onwards you can see a good explanation you will get to understand very well. Okay, here you can see that the low Donchain is breaking out here. From here onwards the low Donchain is breaking out. Okay, here it fall, here also it break down, here also it break down, and still it is breaking down here, and still it has broke down here. Okay, here also it broke down, here also it broke down. Okay, so this suggests the broke down of this low Donchain. Okay, so what you will do is that whenever this broke down happens, okay, you have to short sell the particular stock, but we have to figure out the awesome oscillator with it. Okay, if awesome oscillator is becoming red and moving towards the downward direction, okay, it is moving towards the below zero. Okay, then only you have to enter the trade. Whenever the awesome oscillator goes below the zero, becoming red and moving towards the downward direction, and the we can see here the breakdown has happened here, so we will enter at this position. At second candle we will enter into this stock with the previous candles high or close. We will enter into this second candle. Okay, so if we enter this candle, you can see the close of this candle was around 245. Okay, so from 245 to 243, around 2 rupees profit we can see here. And on the same day we can see the low of around 243. On the same day we can see the low of around, this is the 1 minute time frame chart, remember that. On the same day we can see that around 239.87 was the low, so around from 245 to 239 we can see that, so around 6 points profit we can see, around 2 to 3% profit we can see here. So this is how you can use this strategy for short selling purpose. Remember that you have to see the breakout of the low Donchains, okay, and then you have to see this awesome oscillator, is it following the Donchain or not. And same with the Donchain for the upward direction. On this chart, is there any upward direction? Yeah, here is the great example we can see. Okay, the great example we can see here is that here we can see a good example of Donchain. Okay, this was happened on 21 September. We can see that a good, the best example I would say is here. We can see the range breakout happened here. Okay, the low Donchain breakout here. Okay, and the awesome oscillator is also moving towards the downward direction, forming red candles one by one. So what I will do is that I will short sell at this position. Okay, after it got breakout, I will sell at this position. Here you can see that around the close was around 250 and it fall up to, on the same day it fall up to around 230. Here you can see 20 points fall, around 10 to around 10 points, 10% fall. Here you can see that a 10% fall in a for an intraday purpose is much better than anything. Okay, so and the same time here you can see that when you go for the buy side, what you have to see is that Donchain, the high Donchain, this one is the high Donchain, the upper Donchain should break out towards the upward direction. Here you can see that the upward, the high Donchain is breaking out towards the upward direction. Okay, and the candle, the green candle should move towards the upward direction one by one. So here we can see that the candles are moving towards the upward direction, but we can't just use this awesome oscillator to enter into the intraday trade. So what we will do is that we will see that the Donchain is moving towards, it is breaking or not. Here we can see that it broke out and went towards the upward direction. So we will enter at this position. Okay, either at this or this. Here the close was around 239. After some time, around 10 minutes, we can see that it went up to the high of 249. From 239 to 249, around 10 points profit we can see here. So if you are able to go with this strategy, you can find that the 20 points short sell and 10 points, around 30 points in a 30% in a intraday is too much. So you can earn a good and consistent profit from this strategy. So guys, I would like you, okay, let me explain you with the Reliance chart too. Here I am on the Reliance chart. Okay, here also we can see that the Donchain is moving towards the upward direction. It is breaking out. Okay, here you can see that it broke out and then it broke out here too. Okay, here it broke out, then here it went above, here also it went above, here also it went above. So what we will do is that I can see that here it broke. Okay, so we can see that our candles are also forming green. Okay, and it is moving towards the upward direction. So from here onwards it went towards the upward direction, and whenever the awesome oscillator turns red, you just sell your position and exit the trade. Okay, it's a very simple strategy. You can apply for intraday purpose. You just have to use 1 minute chart, and well, the best part of using 1 minute chart is that you have lots of opportunities in front of you. Okay, so guys, whenever you go with 1 minute chart, be ready with the market, with your trading platform, and just do as many trade as possible with this correct strategy. Okay, this strategy contains 90% of accuracy rate, which is back tested by our team members, and we have applied this strategy too, and we use also. So I would suggest you to go with this strategy. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel, join our WhatsApp group so that you get updated with the latest information we upload there, the tips and everything, knowledge, news, and many more strategies we help people to learn out there. Okay, so guys, please like and subscribe the channel, join our WhatsApp, Telegram and Facebook group given in the description below. Thank you, have a nice day, and you can find many more videos here on the Stock Money Makers page channel. Okay, here there are many more strategies with different indicators, and they all are different in their ways and have a good accuracy rate. Okay, so thank you guys, have a nice day. Please like and subscribe the channel.